Ever felt that your open-plan space is missing boundaries? Maybe you want a quiet work area, a cozy reading spot, or a distinct play zone, without sacrificing light or openness? Imagine dividing your room beautifully, functionally, and flexibly using creative partitions. Today, we're exploring 10 standout room partition ideas, from floating walls to folding screens to green barriers, that stylishly carve out zones while complementing your decor. Whether you're in a studio, loft, or spacious family room, these solutions help you define your space with flair and purpose. Ready to partition with panache?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What should you consider before choosing a freestanding folding partition? When selecting a folding partition, think about scale and portability. Measure the width and height you need, typically reaching close to ceiling height to feel delineated yet open for airflow. Materials matter. Wooden slatted panels add warmth, mid-century louvered styles offer mid-privacy, and woven cane or rattan screens let light filter through. Choose lightweight frames with sturdy hinges to fold easily. Vinyl printed panels with graphic or botanicals act as eye-catching art pieces. Consider frames that nest flat when not in use for storage. A tall, lightweight panel angled strategically can carve out zones without feeling permanent or heavy, making it a versatile stage prop rather than a static wall. If you want a more portable partition, share this video to inspire others. How can open shelving create an elegant partition with dual storage? Open shelving is genius for dividing spaces without blocking them. You'll want a unit about 5 to 6 feet tall to delineate two zones while keeping sightlines airy. Double-sided cubbies allow you to style each side independently. Stack books and vases facing the living area, baskets and catch-all bins facing the workspace. Play with asymmetry, stagger shelf heights for visual interest, incorporate sliding doors on select cubes for hidden storage, or mix artful objects with closed boxes. For stability, anchor taller units to the ceiling or wall with slim rods. Finish the back panel, paint it a complementary color or apply wallpaper to unify both sides. With this dual function, your partition becomes both organizer and sculptural statement. What makes a curtain partition both soft and smart? Curtain partitions are a budget-friendly, flexible solution. Install a ceiling track that spans your division area. Choose natural linen or cotton to velvet curtains for tactile beauty and light filtering. Layering is key. Sheer curtains keep things open during the day. Blackout curtains close at night for privacy. Use decorative tiebacks or clips so panels can be artfully parted when not in use. This soft architectural approach lets you reconfigure zone size instantly, adds rhythm to the space with gentle folds, and helps with sound absorption. Curtains also double as dramatic window treatments when pulled aside. How do sliding panel dividers bring structure and drama? Sliding panel systems offer a modern, customizable boundary. Mounted on ceiling tracks, these panels glide seamlessly. Choose solid wood, frosted glass, metal screen, or upholstered surfaces. 4 to 5 panels give you flexible configurations to overlap, slide aside, or stand on display. Frosted tempered glass panels grant privacy with light, while wooden panels bring texture. Motorized options add ease in larger areas. If used to separate a home office, add a cork panel option for pinups or mood boards. Lighting highlights these panels beautifully. Backlit translucent panels create luminous drama, while opaque panels provide quiet division. How do room dividers with integrated lighting work? Partition units with built-in lighting multiply functionality and ambiance. Think of shelving units with LED strip lights under each shelf, illuminating the divider itself and the surrounding zones. A partition wall with recessed uplights casts dramatic shadows across the ceiling. For cozy vibes, panels with built-in spherical lights at midpoints glow softly and signal presence. Sensor-activated LEDs hidden within the partition top light up as you approach. These layered lighting features not only divide space but create mood zones. Reading areas glimmer while the rest stays soft. Power discreetly via floor outlets or track tubes in the floor. What aesthetic do glass-framed dividers bring, and how to style them? Glass-framed partitions introduce structure without shutting down the space. Floor-to-ceiling panels and slim black metal frames evoke loft-style divisions, perfect between kitchen and living areas. Frosted or ribbed glass keeps privacy while maintaining light flow. Use barn door-style sliding panels or hinged industrial doors to allow passage. Add Venetian blinds inside the frames to fine-tune openness. Combine glass partitions with curtain panels for variety, open on bright days, enclosed at night. These framing systems feel permanent yet light, elegant city loft solutions. How does macrame or rope partition add bohemian charm and texture? Textile dividers made of macrame or thick rope bring artistry to the space. Hang chunky hand-knotted panels from ceiling rods, each with unique patterns and tassels. Choose off-white linens or dyed in bold hues for customized color zones. Daylight filters softly, creating a breezy vibe while maintaining delineation. Rope wall art doubles as room partition, and they're easy to detach or store. Optional beads, wood rings, or driftwood tops add character. This craft-forward approach infuses warmth and personality into minimalist layouts. How does a green partition create a living boundary? Using plants as dividers brings life to your zoned space. Cluster tall potted greenery, like bamboo, ficus, or palms, in a narrow console or planter bench to create a lush screen. Suspension planters in front of a frame offer vertical green walls. Go modular, plant shelves with potted trays can be rearranged and styled. Living wall tiles add texture, mix succulents and air plants to define the boundary. Add uplights in the planter base to cast foliage shadows. Green partitions breathe air, absorb sound, and shift with growth, ideal for those who love fresh aesthetics and wellness enhancements. By choosing the right partition, folding screens, shelving systems, glass walls, fabric curtains, greenery, or furniture, you sculpt your open spaces into purposeful zones without resorting to construction. Each method brings character, light, and adaptability. Start with your core need: privacy, structure, storage, and layer style elements like lighting, texture, and accessories. The result is an open area that feels distinctly designed while remaining airy, flexible, and uniquely you.